and gentlemen, the ritual is a Solomonic prayer made by the high priest, which is called Munbaki, to implore the blessing of the Lord to all of us. Thank you.
Apostoli dito munuluwag. Mapot di datin. Duduligan. Tuwali presya kan agon dak ni tuwali.
Ortom.
Gida mun open na cutting of the ribbon. Mapot amin namin ang matago. Hagiyo! Hagiyo!
We are now witnessing the ceremonial toasting or the Hiit Bibaya in Ifugao.
Ita kambayat ta, inumon tuntatago tahay mapotwari kitag taguan da. Besta kami namin ang tatago ta. Mapod din itagtaguan may inga na magawit kami ng hituami. Hagiyo!
So, may we request our guests and visitors for the ceremonial hosting of the wine. One, two, three, cheers! Hagiyo!
Hagiyo! So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We are witnessing the toasting of wine.
Let us witness the cutting of the ribbon. We have just witnessed the ceremonial cutting of the ribbon of our simple iPad Center.
Masapul ibu tunata maka
context, respects their identities, and promotes the value of their indigenous knowledge, skills, and other aspects of their cultural heritage. It recognizes the rights of indigenous peoples to basic education that is culturally rooted and responsive. The IPED curriculum framework seeks to provide guidance to schools and other education programs, both public and private, as they engage with indigenous communities in localizing, indigenizing, and enhancing the K-12 curriculum based on their respective educational and social contexts.
Maphod ang bigat iditaon namin.
Maphod ang nanong no sitaun amin.
Or shall we say, good morning everyone.
Today is a very precious day because we are gathered for the launching of the Indigenous Peoples Education Program here in Cordon North District.
It is indeed precious, for it is guided with the theme, Katutubong edukasyon ay patuloy na palakasin. Pangkulturang integridad isulong at patapagin. It aims to nurture us for the greater awareness and appreciation of the IP cultural heritage and history. It communicates the importance and recognition of the IP communities as the collective bearers of these intergenerational wisdom and knowledges. Administrative Officer 5 and OIC of the National Museum of the Philippines, Cordillera. Ma'am Leticia Elagayan, Information Officer 3 of the same office. Dr. Lenny Estudillo, Education Program Supervisor in Arlene, Panlipunan. Dr. Edwin T. Guillermo, Principal in charge of Cordon North District.
Also present in our midst is the Honorable Local Chief Executive, Mayor Lynn Suliegati, duly represented by Mr. Oliver Rosete, the Honorable Rodolfo B. Lando, Municipal IP Mandatory Representative, Honorable Vice Mayor Abigail V. Sable, ma'am, our Legislative District 4 Representative, and Honorable Board Member Victor D. is also duly represented by Mr. Oliver Rosete.
Na po kami hininaton ang tribo na kultura ngayon hiniyang mo kami teohakan amami. Bendisyonan na kami utahan, tawaday pun potohodan, pun oohaan, na pun humokan. Bendisyonan tung bisitas min na po sa basabalin agencies, ya organisasyon, ya anting umanmi an bimoble. Bendisyonan na nada nangiununu nangi biyangay hi oras da ya materiales yang aneman anakit tinulong da tapno hituin hitue ya nimbaligi. Itarak mi harus ama tuwing programa manipunugi na ingana kagibuan na. Ibangad min heka yang tagayan ang pamalo-malo gloria ya pundayaw umat met pun pasalamat. Datuwe dawat mi ipadalan mi ngadan Jesus an ako mi. Amen.
integrated with all the tribes and all kinds of people. Today our children, through proper education, be proud to their origin. With all of this, as PTA president of this school, one of the known in the 4th district of Isabela, as composed of many, if not most, poor IPs. We gladly welcome you in this humble barangay of Wigan, particularly Wigan Integrated School, with the faculty and staff, barangay officials, and PTA officials of this school. With utmost warm, welcome all of you. Thank you, and God bless us all. Hagino.
Iti September 19, imayda da Ma'am Lenny nga nag-monitor iti Wigan, Talintik, and Dalaw. So muna ti nga napananda is Talintik. Then next, Dalaw, last dito'y Wigan. Dito'y Wigan, iti nag-decide na tungtong da mga Lenny kiti mamona, tani mamona iti school head may pailang iti. Kunay na ni Ma'am Lenny do awanak iti nagtungtong da ni Ma'am Mona kasi ang nagkasel. Dinalbas nga nagtungtong in-decide na nga dito'y Wigan iti iPad Center. So iji nga nang Rudy Apo iti rigid nga balik amot ipugaw ng rigid. Nakamod ang panangay sagana may ito'y iPad Center ta
We go to North District. Nauna po yung mga taga dito para may magpapagayahin.
I want to immerse myself with your culture and traditions. Today is the launching of our Indigenous Peoples Education, and this was conceived during the visit of our EPS in Araling Panlipunan, Dr. Lenny E. Estudillo, last September 2024. And I would like to extend my thanks for the encouragement of Ma'am Lenny. Schools are the 3 implementers of IPED or IPED. I would like to reiterate that the establishment of IP Center here in Wigan Integrated School is actually a great opportunity not only for the IP communities but for the learners of Wigan Integrated School and the whole Cordon North District or the whole municipality of Cordon. We can invite visitors from other districts, from other municipalities, so that maibigay natin ang tunay na pagpapahalaga sa ating kultura at tradisyon. This is one way of preserving our cultural heritage, our traditions and practices here in Barangay Wigan and even in Danlao and Taliktik.
Ang katutubong edukasyon na nakatuon sa katutubong kaalaman ay isang hakbang patungo sa pagpapalawak ng ating pananaw at pagpapahalaga sa kanilang ambag sa ating lipunan. Nararapat din na maipadama natin ang paggalang at pagpapahalaga sa mga katutubong kaalaman na minana natin mula sa ating mga ninuno. Mahalaga din na mabigyan ang mga katutubong kabataan ng pantay-pantay na pagkakataon sa makabagong edukasyon. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon ang IPED na ito upang makapagbigay ng pantay-pantay na oportunidad sa ating lahat.
You know, I am amazed with this IPED Center. Napakaganda. Grabe yung suporta po ng LGU, ng barangay officials and other stakeholders. Ang ating mga elders, kumpleto po. Nagbunyi po talaga ang Municipality of Cordon for having this IPED Center here in Cordon, Isabela. Payayabungin po natin yan. Magkakaroon po tayo ng mga ride shops. Ang dahilan, bakit ganun na lang po tayo talaga mag-push na magkaroon po ng ganyan na mga innovations ay para makita, madama ng ating mga mag-aaral na meron silang kultura, merong practices, merong mga traditions na dapat nilang malaman. Ito ngayon na ginagawa natin dito sa Wigan Integrated School. So to all the faculty and staff of Wigan Integrated School, alam ko na mayroong hindi natulog, napuyat, pumasok na Sabado't Linggo para lang matapos ang mga yan. So sa temang katutubong edukasyon ay patuloy na palakasin. Pangkulturang integridad, isulong at patatagi. Napakaganda po ng inyong tema. With this museo, ito na po kumbaga ang landmark. Ito na yung patunay na lahat po tayo dito sa Cordon ay pumapayag, na ginagawa naman natin at payabungin ka ang pagtangkilik sa sariling atin, sa sariling kultura natin. Nais ko pong bigyan kahulugan ang salitang IPED. So ipagmalaki ang ating kultura for the letter I at kasaysayan. Huwag nating hayaang malimutan ng ating mga kabataan ang kanilang pinagmulan. Kaya ipagmalaki po natin ang ating tradisyon, ang kaalaman, ang ating yaman, ang ating mayaman na kultura. For the letter P, palakasin ang edukasyon, may pagkilala sa pagkaiba-iba. So, ang IPED ay isang hakbang patungo sa eksklusibong edukasyon na nagbibigay ng pantay na oportunidad para sa lahat. For E, edukasyong may puso at diwa. Hindi sapat na turuan lamang ang ating mga mag-aaral ng mga leksyon sa silid-aralan. Dapat ay maramdaman nila na ang edukasyon ay para sa kanila, na ito ay nagsilbing tulay upang sila'y umunlad nang hindi kailangang talikuran ang kanilang magiging katutubo. Ito na po. Diwa ng pagkakaisa at pagsulong, tayo ay magkakaiba-iba ng kultura at pananaw, ngunit iisa ang ating adhikain.
So on behalf of the National Museum of the Philippines Cordillera in Kiangan, Ifugao, I am honored to congratulate everyone, all those who have worked hard to make this activity a reality. While I was reading the history of Wigan kanina, I came to realize that Wigan community is a home away from home. I am touched. Dayuan ni Marito from Lagawi because of that dam, because of that relocation. In the name of development, you were displaced. Marito at Wigan, nung barin na yumohi, Cordon Isabela. Nabawasan na tayo di Ifugao. But hope is still here. Hituwe an iPad center you, yamong barin tu, hituruh-tuwe, bukod lang oha. Hindi lang siya iPad center, na iPad center lang. It will become soon a research center. It will also become an educational center and also a cultural center. Those are actually the mandates of the National Museum of the Philippines. Yan ang, that is the threefold objective of an iPad center. Hindi dapat mawawala ang heritage ng pagka-Ifugao ninyo. When we say heritage, ito na karentong pinotan, maipasa-pasa, pamana. What are the aspects of our culture and dapat ang ipasayo wa yung babareyo, lalo na yung mga bata na ipanganak dito sa Cordon. I'm trying to align our programs also, our mandates. Where could we meet so we can sustain this iPad center, we can enhance the operations, we could be of use, because still we feel that this is an extension of Ifugao. So the iPad center should function as an educational center to educate both teachers, the students, and the community to accept one another. That is what we call multicultural education. So once again, sustain tuwe, and we look forward to the success of this iPad center in this Wigan integrated school. Once again, thank you and congratulations to Ifugao. To the people of Wigan. So, again, this is Leticia Nagayan, Information Officer of the National Museum of the Philippines in Kiangan, Ifugao. We will be more than happy to extend once again our assistance when you need us. Thank you.
We are honored to be invited on this memorable occasion, a milestone in your school. And I congratulate each and every one of you for making your plan a reality. To broaden your knowledge, the National Museum of the Philippines envisions to preserve our legacy, foster a profound sense of Filipino identity, and shapes a progressive and sustainable future. In line with your theme, katutubong edukasyon ay patuloy na palakasin pangkulturang integridad, isulong at patatagin. A very appropriate theme during these times when our culture or old practices are being forgotten or almost forgotten. Now we are grateful to the Department of Education for institutionalizing this iPad program. This innovation enhances our young generation to study and learn our cultural practices and value the indigenous knowledge. Remember, our past defines who we are today, and what we are today defines our future. At this point, I would like to congratulate the efforts of everyone. Achieving our objectives for the preservation of our culture and ingenuity is a gigantic task. It needs a concerted efforts, and let us not waver in our efforts. Instead, let us strive more to work hand in hand as we continue to respect our ingenuity. But after all the messages and speeches, I am overwhelmed with the concerted efforts of each and everyone. Thank you for inviting us today. We look forward as we continue to work hand in hand for the appreciation and preservation of our culture and heritage. Hagio IPED! Hagio! Hagio Wigan! Hagio! Hagio Kaditakunamin! Hagio! Hagio!
So thank you for the launching of the IPED, because for those learners born in the new generation, at least they will have time to go or visit our IPED Center to really appreciate and understand deeper what we call their roots. I myself, as an Ilocano, I came to learn the Ifugao culture. Not that because I was assigned here in Wigan, but because of the, would I describe, the acceptability made by the Wigan community.
Takot Ifugao, aapot alim yahudhud, agitu beni taguwag tehimak nongan. Aoya takot Ifugao, antun puho namodon abu, ihuluwa ditipip hodan, antun boble. Ifugao main di Badung igay ni